In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tile chart windows on MetaTrader 5. Tiling your chart windows is an incredibly useful skill that allows you to view multiple charts at once, making it easier to compare data and analyze trends in real time. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, being able to manage and view several charts simultaneously is a crucial component of effective trading. Let's dive right in and take a step-by-step journey through this process. First, you'll want to open the charts that you're interested in viewing. To do this, head over to the Market Watch window. You can typically find this on the left-hand side of your MetaTrader 5 platform. Once you're there, you'll see a list of available symbols, which are essentially your different financial instruments or assets. Simply right-click on a symbol of your choice. From the context menu that appears, select Chart Window. This will open up a new window dedicated to that particular symbol you chose. It's a great way to get a clear picture of the price movements and gather a deeper understanding of your chosen asset. Now, let's say you want to keep track of more than one asset simultaneously. You just need to repeat the same process for each additional chart you want to open. Return to the Market Watch window, find another symbol of interest, right-click on it, and then select Chart Window. Do this for as many charts as you want to monitor side by side. The ability to view multiple charts at once is especially beneficial when you're involved in trading different assets or analyzing correlations between them. Once you've got all your desired chart windows open, you might find that your screen looks a bit cluttered. This is where tiling comes in handy. To tile your windows efficiently, navigate to the top of your MetaTrader 5 platform and click on the Window menu. This menu holds various options for managing your open charts and windows. Among these options, find and select Tile Windows. What tiling does is it automatically arranges your open chart windows side by side, making optimal use of your screen space. This layout enables you to view all your charts simultaneously without having to manually resize or rearrange each window. It's a simple yet highly effective way to maintain an organized workspace, allowing you to focus more on analyzing data and making informed trading decisions. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily tile your chart windows on MetaTrader 5. This feature not only enhances your analytical capabilities, but also streamlines your overall trading experience by keeping your interface neat and intuitive. Practice this a few times, and you'll find that navigating between multiple charts becomes much more seamless and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!